Yes.
How do you, amongst all that, actually fit in time to exercise, drink well, or whatever?
Yeah, that's a pretty decent question, actually, because we always talk about healthy habits, but I'm not so much stuck on healthy habits. I'm more, I try and teach habit stacking really as a way to take a new behavior that is somewhat new to you and is a healthier, more beneficial behavior, and add it to an already existing behavior that you do. So for example, your morning coffee, you might want to also, at the same time that you're having your morning coffee, prepare a high protein breakfast. So, you know, some eggs with a piece of toast, or Greek yogurt with some nuts, or chia seeds, for example, so that you are feeling in control. I think that's the biggest thing for high-performing women when it comes to nutrition, believe it or not. And you're going to see the effects of that habit later in the day when you're not really crashing from a drop in energy levels. So that's one form of habit stacking. The other one could be at dinner, for example, when you're doing some meal prep, and most of these women don't have time to meal prep. This is the thing. So I want women to think of it this way. If there is a time that you can make dinner, try and make a large enough portion that you can actually, while you're plating up, put the rest in containers so that you have something for lunch or for dinner the next night. So you're taking one existing habit, which is making dinner, and then you're adding a healthier, more beneficial habits, such as putting them in containers, and that's technically your meal prep. So it's because so many women do approach me and say, I don't have time for meal prep and I don't enjoy it. And that's all well and good. I fully understand that. I have young children myself. I run a business, and meal prepping can feel overwhelming because you feel like you do need to make different things at different times. But if you're already making dinner, you can probably try and make enough so that you're adding it to have for a couple of lunches or a couple of dinners after that. So habit stacking is probably the quickest win when you are absolutely slammed during the day, which most of these women are. Yeah.
And